friends and families. We are excited to show you a special presentation, a delightful skit prepared by our dedicated volunteer parents and talented students that captures the spirit and significance of Eid al-Fitr. Let's embrace the spirit of unity, joy, and community as we enjoy this wonderful performance together.
Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon everyone. Today, we are here to celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Do you know what Eid is? So a lot of you know what Eid is.
Is it like a birthday party? Do we get cake?
Yes, almost like a birthday party. Eid is a celebration for Muslims all over the world after a whole month of fasting called Ramadan.
Fasting? Like not eating anything at all?
That's right, Leila. During Ramadan, we learn patience and self-control. And when Eid comes, it's time to break our fast and share our blessings with friends and family. But Eid is also a time to think about those less fortunate.
Less fortunate?
Yes, Hannah. There are many people in the world who do not have enough food or clothes. So when Eid comes, it's time and our responsibility to share our happiness and blessings with them through charity.
Charity? Like giving gifts? That sounds fun!
I hope you got the concept of charity and you have a brilliant idea of sharing gifts with them.
Sakina, can you spot the moon? No, not yet.
The tradition of moon sighting is a special time when the crescent moon is eagerly awaited to mark the end of Ramadan. Everyone comes out together to spot the moon, signaling the joyous start of Eid celebration. Chand Mubarak. Can you spot the Chand now, children?
Yes. Chand Mubarak, Chand Mubarak.
Okay. No, not quite, sweetie. But first we have to wear our new Eid clothes. Only we should. These three are going. Okay. You said.
Look what I've got you.
And put you have to say Eid Mubarak only.
Oh, it's looking
Can
nice.
I try this?
Okay, let's first set up mom's table. Okay? Let's sit. Wow, it looks delicious. You guys want to have that?
Wow, this looks delicious. Can we eat now, Mom?
Let's wait. First, let's pray to Allah, right, for this happy day.
Dad leads a short, simple prayer and everyone follows.
You know, Laila and Hana, during Eid, it's good time to share some of new clothes and toys to the children who might not have.
Can we give this to charity, Mom?
Yes, we can put some these aside as a charity.
How is this?
That's nice. That's wonderful, Hana. Let's put it in the box.
Assalamualaikum, Khala.
Walaikum assalam, my kids. Eid Mubarak, my little sweethearts.
Salam, Khala.
Eid Mubarak.
Look,
Assalamualaikum.
I have little something for you. Please,
Eid
sir.
Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, Bhaijan.
Let's come around and let's have a delicious Eid feast.
Please sit.
Sit.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. This is so delicious, scrumptious.
Happy Eid.
Happy Eid.
After the feast, Laila, Hana, and Khala head out to visit their friends and family. They exchange Eid greetings, share sweets, and enjoy games and laughter.
Card. Eid Mubarak, Sakina. Eid Mubarak, Hana. Eid Mubarak, Ittiza. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak, Zach. Here is a card for you. Thank you. Your dress is so pretty. Thank you. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Use it tomorrow. Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak, everyone!
Eid Mubarak.
What a fantastic way to start the day. Wouldn't you agree? I hope you enjoyed learning a little about the special day. As a parent volunteer myself, I would like to thank the amazing moms and dads who dedicated their time and effort in making this possible. I would also like to thank Ms. Bhumika Makkar for being the parent coordinator in this whole event and guiding us through, and also Ms. Ragini Sharma for being our communication with the school. Looking at all of you today, I see beautiful diversity that India is so special about. And this diversity I have seen is wholeheartedly celebrated at Prometheus. This skit, this whole celebration wouldn't have been possible without the efforts and collaboration with families of different faiths and backgrounds who have come and helped us today. They have even joined us today in this celebration. I would also like to thank the Holy Trinity of the school, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Alexander Abraham, I saw him here, where is he now? Okay. And Mrs. Anisha Sahani for creating a culture of diversity and celebrating and giving children a platform to celebrate different festivals and events in the school. So happy Eid Mubarak, everybody. And I would like to ask Ms. Anisha if she could come on stage and speak a few words. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody, and a big thank you to all the parents. It's a wonderful start to the Eid celebration. I know Eid is not today, it's on the 11th. And since the celebration was scheduled for today, we wanted to kind of continue with it. Fantastic assembly. The essence that, that came out through the short skit. The children were fantastic. Nice to see the fathers also a part of the skit. Thank you. I don't want to be gender biased here, but it's always in these celebrations, it's a mother heavy event. And I think Prometheus is changing that trend now, where we try and see equal participation as well, which is fantastic. So thank you to all of you. Children, that's not the end. That's not what the parents have prepared for you. Did you see the last few photographs of behind the scenes? Did you see them climbing on the stairs, putting up things? Did you see them practicing and sitting in somebody's drawing room, preparing little things and all the engagements for you? So what they've done today is actually their effort and, the time spent over the last, I guess, more than 10 days, is it now? Last 10 days, they've only been looking at how Eid can be made special for all Prometheus students. So a big round of applause for all the parents here, from all the teachers, students. Thank you so much. All the students who were on the stage, a big thank you to all of you too. You all look so beautiful. And now you know what's going to happen next. Is there anyone who has an idea of what's happening next? No? Why are you all so dressed up? What are you going to do? Just watch the assembly and go home?
We are going to celebrate Eid.
How are we going to do that? What are we doing?
We're going to do activities in the Hawa Mahal.
In the Hawa Mahal. Has anyone seen the Hawa Mahal since morning?
Yes.
How does it look? Does it look the same?
We are going to have a feast.
Does the Hawa Mahal look the same? What's there today? What is it? What's different thing that you saw today? Just the decorations? Do you think we'll just go and enjoy the decorations? Activities, yes. Let me tell you.
Divide and customer.
Let me tell you. So, we are all going to go and take turns to go to the Hawa Mahal. There are stations set there. Now, all these stations, all the activities, nothing the teachers have done, nothing. It's all done by the parents today. They have planned, they've set it up, they've even arranged the material, they've got everything. I'm sure they had to go shopping also to buy these special things and arrange little things and planning who's doing what, and then they collaboratively got together. And today is what we see, the effort that's a combined effort from this parent community, all those who are here today. And it's time for us to enjoy the Eid celebrations. I think there is some sort of a treat there as well. Is it? There is some kind of a treat also that we may get. And another thing I have to tell you, that I received an email from a parent where a couple of them have come together and they said that they wanted to give away.
And there is also Eid for everyone.
Thank you. I was just coming to that. There is Eid for everyone, and not just us. And they've not just thought about us. They've also looked at how they can make it special for other staff in the school, people who are not attending the assembly today. Do you think the school is only made out of parents, students, and teachers? And Mr. Sharma and Mr. Alex? There are 400 more people in the school, in fact 441 more people in the school who make our lives easy every day in school. If those people are not there, we won't be sitting nicely here in the auditorium enjoying this celebration. We wouldn't have the nice clean gardens outside, the nice field outside. We wouldn't have clean corridors. We wouldn't have clean classes. There are so many people who are managing different aspects of the school. So I did receive an email from some parents saying that they would like to thank them today on this special occasion of Eid, and there's a little Eid for them as well. So thank you to parents for the celebration today and for everything that is going to follow after the assembly. We're all very excited. We're all dressed up, and I would just say Eid Mubarak to one and all, everybody. So do you know that we shifted the holiday from the 10th to 11th? That's because the government doesn't decide the Eid holiday. Who knows, how do we know when is the Eid? Moon? Yeah? Can moon send us messages, or we need to figure out? Do we get a phone call from the moon? No? Does it print the news in the newspaper? No? Who knows how do we know when is the Eid?
It's dependent on the moon sighting.
See you, yes. Thank you so much. And that's the reason, you saw the Eid holiday on the 10th in the calendar, but we wanted it to be on the original day, which is the 11th. And that's why we shifted it. I also want to tell you that today, we had initially planned for a nice, good Eid menu, which we've shifted it to tomorrow. So today you have all the celebrations here. You've got a nice assembly. You're going to enjoy all the fun stations. Then there are little treats that are organized by the parents. The special menu for Eid, which was initially on the lunch today, is what you will see tomorrow. You will have a nice treat tomorrow as well. And then we all enjoy the Eid holiday on Thursday. Right? Are we excited for what's following up in the Hawa Mahal now? Can we all wish each other Eid Mubarak? I don't hear you.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Yes, well done. Thank you. And you all look beautiful. And that's one day we all dress up. And I'm sure most of us will dress up on the Eid again. Will you? Who's got new clothes for Eid? Who's got new clothes for Eid? Who's got new clothes for Eid? When are you going to wear that? On Thursday? Beautiful.
Eid Mubarak, everyone.
All right, so once again, thank you. We're really honored to have you here today. And it's so nice sometimes to just sit back on the sofa, not bothered about the teacher logistics or the presentations or what's coming up. So such days, I think all the teachers, from all of them, I'm just saying that thank you for bringing that value of learning here. And with us not doing anything, it's it's like an icing on the cake. Thank you, parents. Teachers, there could be a slight delay in the rota. Please look out for the message for which class goes out when. Bhumika is coordinating that bit. Just check the group message before you head out of the class.